Let's make some split pea soup. Today we're gonna make it in the Instant Pot. Turn on your sauté button. Rinse and sort your split peas. Next, we're gonna use the veggie chopper and chop up our vegetables. A half an onion, 4 carrots, 3 celery ribs. Add a little olive oil to your pot. Add your chopped veggies in. Chop up some potatoes. Add your potatoes in. We're gonna add in 4 garlic cloves. Add in a few bay leaves, a little bit of thyme. Salt, pepper, garlic blend. Once your vegetables get soft, turn the sauté button off. Add in a pat of butter. Add your peas in. If I had leftover ham with a ham bone, I would use that, but I bought this, so we're gonna use it instead. Chop up your ham steak and add it to your Instant Pot. If you have a little bone, make sure to throw that in too. Add in a little chicken noir, a little extra pepper. Next, you wanna add in your water. Once you have your water in, mix everything up. Set your Instant Pot to 20 minutes. Once your timer goes off, let your Instant Pot naturally release for 10 minutes. Just took the top off, and here's what your soup is gonna look like when it's done.